So how'd you do? The correct answer is 3 times 2x minus y times 3x minus 5. Let's see how we got that answer. Whenever I see a 4-term polynomial, I know I want to use factoring by grouping. But remember, the first step in any factoring problem is to look for a GCF. In this case, when I look at the 4 terms, I know that it has a GCF of 3. So I'm going to factor out the GCF from these 4 terms. So when I factor out a 3, I'm left with 6x squared minus 3xy minus 10x plus 5y. Now I'm going to try to factor what's left inside the parentheses. When I factor by grouping, I want to find the GCF of the first 2 terms, which is 6x squared minus 3xy. The GCF of these first 2 terms is 3x. When I factor a 3x out, I'm left with 2x. 3x times 2x is 6x squared minus y. 3x times negative y gives me negative 3xy. The next thing I want to do is factor out the GCF of the second 2 terms. Now you have to be careful here. We know we want the second binomial to be 2x minus y over here. But right now we have negative 10x plus y. This is one of the cases we need to factor out the negative. The GCF of 10x and 5y is going to be negative 5. The reason I factor out the negative is because I want positive 2x. Negative 5 times 2x gives me negative 10x, and negative 5 times negative y gives me 5y. Because negative 5 times 2x is negative 10x, and negative 5 times negative y gives me positive 5y. My next step is to factor out the GCF of the 2 terms inside the parentheses. Remember to carry along the 3, and I'm left with 2x minus y times 3x minus 5. And these second pair of parentheses is redundant, so I can just write 3 times 2x minus y times 3x minus 5. Did you get that? Well done. Let's learn more about factoring.